Hi children, welcome back again to my channel. Who is excited? Okay, let's learn how to write the sound like tap. Okay? Alright, so if you're new here, my name is favourtheteacher and you're highly welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to be your teacher, teaching you how to write a sound word. Okay, so before we do this, I want you to look up the screen and we are going to say our sounds together. I want to be sure that you can say them. 1, 2, go! Look up the screen.
Apple, apple, b, b, bag, b, k, cup, cup, d, 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 dog, dog, d, elephant, frog, g, g, goat, g, house, hat, insect, j, jug, jug, king, king, lollipop, mop, mop, net, orange, orange, pot, pot, queen, queen, rat, snake, tap, tap, umbrella, umbrella, van, water, water, x-ray, yam, yam, zip, zip.
Wow, I am super proud of you. That is an amazing job you did there. Wow, so you now know how to say your sounds. But right now, I want to be sure that you can say them randomly. It's okay? So I'm going to be showing you my flashcard. So what sound is this? Beautiful. The sound what? Zzz, like a bumblebee. Okay. And what about this fantastic sound? Qu. Beautiful. So why do we say qu? Remember that the letter Q is very, very shy. And it will always move along with his best friend, the what? A sound. So they move together and they make the sound what? Qu. Good job. Okay, and obviously what sound is this? This is the one we're learning today. There's a jolly funny rhyme that goes, when I play the tennis game, when I play the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. That's a jolly funny rhyme for the sound word. Okay, what about this one? What sound is this? Like you are hopping. Now there's a jolly phonics rhyme that goes, I love to hop, 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 up and down. I love to hop, 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 up and down. Let's hop. I love to hop, 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 up and down. Hop. Okay, and what sound is this? Yeah. Good job. Wow. And what about this one? I didn't hear that. The sound was Beautiful. And what about this one? The sound V. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. Drive Vix van round the village. The sound V. Good job! That's a jolly phonics rhyme. Do you like it? What about this sound? Amazing. And what sound is this? The sound P. Good job. Okay. And one more, this one. B, B, B. Amazing. Okay, children. And we have this other one here is also what? K. Okay, and we have the sound that goes K. This one is a kicking, K, like you're kicking a ball. K. And this is what? K. You can see the kicking leg is there, K, right? The kicking, K. And this is the sound what? K, for cut. Okay, children, so right now, I am so proud of you. Let's move on to learn how to write the sound what? T, 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 t. So I have with me here my board over here. Yeah, and my marker. Yeah, where's her marker? Where's her marker? Yep. Okay, so today we're going to be learning to write the sound what? So it goes a stroke down, a loop. Can you see that? Take your hands away and a dash. Do you see that? So let's do it again. Very easy. A stroke down, a loop, and a dash. A stroke down, make a loop, and a dash. Again, a stroke down, make a loop, and a dash. Very easy. So do you want to try that? So let's go on the air. A stroke down, make a loop, and a dash. Again, a stroke down, a loop, and a dash. Beautiful. One more time. A stroke down, a loop, and a dash. That's the sound what? Okay, so we are going to clean this off and let's connect A to what? This time around, we're going to be going, because by now we already know our sounds. Remember, if you forget, you can always go back to write again. Okay, so let's go. The first sound we have is a sound what? A. A. The next sound is what? B. Beautiful. The sound B. A, B. K. A, B. K. D. D. E. F. A, B. K. D. E. F. G. Can you see that? E. J. The kicking word. K. O. Okay, so let's go back again. A, B, K, D, E, G, E, J, K, O, P. Good job. P. Yes. The next one. Qu. R. Yes. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, O, P, Q, R, S, and T. So let's go. Back curve, and the curve, and the sound T. Let's go. A, B, K, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, O, P, Q, R, S, and a fantastic word, and the dash. So can you see that we have connected writing from A to what? T. That's a fantastic one. So I need you to try this out, okay? You can see that learning is very, very what? Easy. Yeah, very easy. You can know how to write your sounds if you keep practicing. Okay, children, so we are almost at the end of our video, and right now I would want us to quickly learn again how to write the sounds. Want to go? A stroke down, a loop, and a dash. Not this and this. No, this is cross sign. Okay, so we're not doing this, but we are going with a stroke down, a loop, and a dash. That's a sound what? Again, a stroke down. Don't take your hands away. A loop. Now you take your hands away to give a dash. One more time. A stroke down, a loop, and a dash. A stroke down, a loop, and a dash. A stroke down, a loop, and a dash. Beautiful. Okay, so children, this is the end of our video, and I'll see you in the next video where we learn to write the sound what? Like you're saying up, or the umbrella. Okay, so till then, remember to keep practicing from A to what? Okay, and remember to subscribe, remember to like this video and share. Till then, bye. Bye, children.